Ing'orita Olaikoni TV.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Steven Kosera. I've come across a lot of comments and questions from my friends who cannot understand Maasai language, as I've been using it in my channel, asking me about what I do, and some of them asking me to translate the videos that I've been doing, which to some extent is not very possible, or let me say I've not been able to do that. I have a lot of friends on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so many other platforms. And I've seen comments, especially Facebook, those from Facebook are asking me to maybe tell them in details that what I'm doing on this channel, or in other words, what it is that I'm talking about. And I found it necessary maybe to record this video and just try to tell my friends what it is that I'm doing. What I'm doing is that I'm just trying to educate our young people, most of them who have been brought up maybe in towns or in other cosmopolitan areas, and therefore denying them a chance to understand in details about our language. So I decided to teach them what I know. I'm proud to say that I've been trying to learn a lot of things concerning our language and our culture, and therefore I'm proud to say I have a lot of things that I understand, and I have a lot of things that I know that pertains to our culture and language. Therefore, I just came and I saw it was necessary for me to talk to my friends, because I have friends across Kenya. I have so many friends across all communities, and therefore I decided it is important I tell them what I do. So most of them have been watching my videos without understanding what exactly I'm talking about. I'm just trying to inform our young people, educate them, and do something, you know. Yes, somebody said that a man is not determined by what he knows, but a man is actually determined by what he does with what he knows. So I decided I'll do something with what I know. And what I decided to do is to share with anybody who is interested and willing to follow me and maybe try to benefit from the knowledge I have about our culture and about our language. I'm also trying to demystify some of the myths that people talk about, especially those who are not from this very rich culture. Maasai culture is a very rich culture. There are so many things that you can learn about. I've been trying to research and follow in depth many things about this culture. This is a very, very deep and rich culture. And therefore, I've been trying to encourage our young people, especially this young generation, because these people, I've come across many of them who really don't understand their own culture, their own language. And therefore, I decided to offer myself to talk to them, to teach them, and answer their questions. But this video today is meant for my friends from other communities who have been asking me to tell them exactly what I'm doing in this channel. You can follow me. If it is your first time to watch this channel, I'm humbly and kindly requesting you to subscribe and like and share, so that any time I post a video like this, YouTube will automatically alert you, and you'll be able to follow me. I've now recorded a good number of videos, so you can just go there, watch all of them, ask me any question about this rich culture. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm very, very happy. For those of you who are following me, watching me, I want to tell you I'm very, very much grateful, and I love you guys for what you are doing, and I'm humbly requesting you to subscribe and follow me, because there are so many other good things on the way coming. So I'm happy. I'm very happy and humbled when I see you people interacting with me, asking me questions. Ask me any question. I don't know everything, but I will share with you what I know. And this is also not the last time. I'm going on talking to people, pundits, old men and women who really understand this. Though there are not so many now, our old people are going, and sometimes you even find some old people who doesn't even understand the culture, about the language, and therefore I decided it is important we record these things for our current and future generations. Therefore, I invite you to talk to me, to follow me. Just search Stephen Gosera on YouTube, or Olaigoni for that matter, and you'll get me. We will interact, we will talk, and I'm very sure you will benefit. So for our young guys, our young people, our young boys and girls, I want to invite you to follow me. I want to kindly request you to interact with me, as I'm seeing you people doing on social media, on Facebook. I'm very, very happy and humbled when I see you watching my videos, because I'm sure, I think this is the only place you'll get the kind of knowledge I'm offering here. So thank you. I think I've talked to my brothers and sisters from other communities, and I'm sure now you know when you see my videos. I'm just trying to talk to our young Turks to let them understand their own language. You know, it is important to, if you don't know where you came from and where you were, it is very likely you might not even know where you are heading to. So it is important. And it doesn't mean that people who have not gone to school are the only people who are supposed to speak their languages. It is important. Let's speak our languages. It's not a sin, you know. It's not wrong. Yeah. It just makes us, our diversity rich, and our culture and languages makes us who we are. So I'm very happy and proud to be one of these guys and to be from this community. And I invite you all to try and learn our own languages and cultures. So thank you so much. I'm sure we are now going together. Whenever you're watching my video, I'm sure you now know what I'm doing here. Please, please subscribe and follow me. Let's meet there. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.